Hey there, buddy. You're either here because you're sick and you want to know how to feel better, or you're here for some entertainment. Don't worry, I got you covered. This is a lazy coach's guides to taking care of yourself when you aren't feeling good. And I'm being very dramatic when I say you feel like you're dying. It's just like a cold. But every day we are closer to death. Anyway, let's begin. Honestly, step number one, we're pushing fluids. I've drank an ungodly amount of tea today. Just heat up some water. If you have a water kettle or microwave, get yourself some tea. I highly recommend with honey. Step number two is eating something. And I'm a big believer in hot beverages or hot liquids, so let's see what it is. You put an egg. Use my tea. Wow, I am sweaty. Oh my gosh. So, this might sound a little nutty, but something I like to do when I'm sick is, for whatever reason, I feel like whenever I just scorch myself with heat, I get healthier quicker. So here I am, 84-degree weather, an all black interior car, long sleeves. Windows were up, AC was not on. I'm sweating buckets. New highlighter just dropped. For a low price of $50,000, you can also get 10 milliliters of my favorite highlighter, Sweat by Emily. Yeah, I don't know why I'm this way. I don't have anywhere to go after this, so that's why I'm okay looking like I just jumped into a lake. I swear it works. I swear it works. I just overheated myself now. I'm going to go hop in the shower and contemplate my life under more heat and then overheat myself with clothes until we get this sickness out of me. Do you see it? Each of these drops is the sickness going away. Goodbye. Goodbye. It's giving, I was going to say like sewer rat. Since I tend to run really cold, when I'm sick, I like to overheat my body, as I mentioned before, but this is what we're wearing in the midst of July in Chicago. Some cute, I got my winter socks. Oh boy. Something else I do when I'm sick is I like to drenching yourself in hot water can really help. Not only will it relax you, I think this might be, not that there's any good parts of being sick, but this is probably one of the best. Very relaxing. It'll be good. I know you don't want to get out of bed. I didn't either, believe me. Oh my gosh, my nose is running in. Anyway, but highly recommend. You'll definitely feel better, especially if you did the sweat out method. You'll very much need a shower after, so see you soon. Hello. She's giving egghead, wet dog. I know you don't want to shower, but trust me, you don't have to do much. You just got to get under there and stand still and let everything ooze out of you. But it's important. We're getting rid of the sickness. We got to get you feeling better. We got a fit check. Comfy sweatshirt. No bra, because the bra constricts you. And that's just extra energy. Your body could be taking care of yourself, you know? We have some comfy sweatpants and fuzzy socks. So something I do when I'm sick is I try to pull my hair out of the way so I feel a little bit put together. So I'll probably spend a good like hour and a half in bed after showering because I'm too exhausted to do anything. And I was gonna make dinner, but as you can hear how out of breath I am. If you're really feeling up for it and you have the energy, I don't know. I believe that like flossing, I'm not a good flosser, but if you floss and there's like any like bacteria left over in your mouth, it just gets rid of all of it. So this is definitely only if you have the energy though, because I can barely function now, but there's some energy, so I want to take care of this. So an optional step. And then if you don't want to floss, you gotta at least brush. You gotta at least brush them little pearly whites. No, I know it's asking a lot. Trust me. But sometimes, just like don't let yourself get into bed. That's number one tip if you want to get something done. Not only just sick, but hey guys, these last two steps are coming to you from very healthy and mentally alert Emily. Apparently sick Emily forgot to record these two sections, or at least record the last two steps. Here to remind you that the next step that I'd recommend is not only pushing fluids, but pushing vitamin C. Vitamin C is one of the main vitamins and nutrients that helps with support your immune system. So I was drinking a vitamin C packet every day, just like emergency works, just mix it with water and chug it. And then I was eating a ton of little clementines. You could do oranges, grapefruits, any type of citrus fruit is kind of the primary vitamin C source. Tomatoes are also great. So make sure you push your vitamin C. And the last step is going to be pushing fluids. I know this was step one, but I cannot emphasize how important this is, that you push your fluids at all time. That is my lazy girl guide to taking care of yourself. Sickness edition. This is the bare minimum. There were some extra steps in there though, if you're feeling a bit wild, but the biggest thing honestly is resting, keeping yourself warm, and pushing fluids, I would say, and making sure you're eating something once you have the energy to it. So hopefully I hope you feel better if you are sick. If you came along for the ride, thanks for hanging out. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time.